Welcome everyone to this heart-kidney balancing breath. Let's practice this together. Palms holding a ball, inhaling, scooping the pelvic basin up, exhaling, coming over the heart and drawing into the root kidney energy. Arms rise on inhale and drop on exhale. There's a scooping energy on the inhale, and on the exhale you're coming up and over the heart, cooling it and bringing that heat down to nourish the metabolism, to nourish the kidneys. Vice versa, the water cools the heart, the stress and the anxiety. Knees are shoulder width apart. Feet are shoulder width apart. Shoulders are relaxed. Jaw is soft. Breath is neutral. In as the hands rise and out. Finding your own rhythm with your breath work and your movement meditation. Draw the palms out in a large ball. Place your hands on Dan Chin, the elixir field just under the navel. The root of all energy, the root between the upper and lower body. Relax, breathe, and absorb. Thank you.